Good morning, myself Anuj Jaswal. Today I am discuss about knowledge and curriculum B.Ed second year, University of CRSU and MDU, Haryana, Rohtak. Let's see question. This question is most important. What do you mean by local and universal knowledge? Differentiate between local and universal knowledge. Answer: local knowledge and universal knowledge. Local knowledge is a collection of facts and relates to the entire system of concepts, beliefs, and perceptions that people hold about the world around them. This includes the way people observe and measure their surroundings, how they solve problems and validate new information. It includes the process whereby knowledge is generated, stored, applied, and transmitted to others. Local knowledge is unique to every culture or society. Elders and the young possess various types of knowledge, and women and men, farmers and merchants, educated and uneducated people all have different kinds of knowledge. Local knowledge is the human capital of both the urban and rural people. It is the main asset they invest in the struggle for survival, to produce food, provide for shelter, or achieve control of their own lives. Local knowledge is developed and adapted continuously to a gradually changing environment. It is passed down from generation to generation and closely interwoven with people is cultural values. Universal knowledge is that which is known to be true everywhere in the universe and all of the time. Physics and mathematics are the two primary fields of study related to this type of knowledge. It does not matter where you are or what your situation is. You can rely on mathematics to remain stable. Equality will always be equal. All of the functions of mathematics remain constant all the time as a new approach. Universal knowledge is a completely new approach that can be defined as meta sciences or knowledge over knowledge. This phenomenon does not imply any division and treats everything at the appropriate level in accordance with the principles of hierarchy of levels at which the reality has its own individual. Difference between local knowledge and universal knowledge. Basis of differences: local knowledge, universal knowledge. Meaning, local knowledge is generally refers to the matured, long-standing traditions and practices of certain regional, indigenous, or local communities. It also encompasses the wisdom, knowledge, and teaching of these communities. Universal knowledge. Universal knowledge generally refers to the matured, long-standing traditions and practices of regional, indigenous, or communities of the world as a whole. It also encompasses the wisdom, knowledge, and teaching of the entire world. Characteristics: it is characterized as the unique traditional local knowledge existing within and developed around the specific conditions of women and men indigenous to a particular geographical area. Or universal knowledge It is characterized as the unique traditional knowledge existing within and developed around the specific condition of woman and man indigenous to the geographical area of the whole world. Nature. It is subjective in nature. Universal knowledge. It is objective in nature. Assumptions. Local knowledge. It is assumed to be the truth. Universal knowledge. It is assumed to be a best approximation. Scope. Local knowledge. Indigenous knowledge is the local knowledge that is unique to a given culture or society. It contrasts with the international knowledge system generated by universities, research institutions, and private firms. Universal knowledge is knowledge that is common to all cultures or society. It contrasts with the international knowledge system generated by universities, research institutions, and private firms. Importance. Indigenous knowledge is the information base for a society which facilitates communication and decision making. Universal knowledge is the information base for the whole world which facilitates communication and decision making. This video is most important for CRSU and MDU BEd second year. Thank you for watching this video.